ENAUTO Section 4 Summary Challenge, implementing on-box programmability and automation with Cisco iOS XE software. Which Cisco iOS XE functionality is useful in triggering Python scripts from events that occur within Cisco iOS XE software? EEM applets is the correct answer here. Enterprise, not enterprise, embedded events manager. Applets, they are configured within the iOS itself, but they can trigger any kind of script from within the guest shell, right? And that's how it was done in the lab. Okay, question 2. Which programming language is installed in guest shell by default and has a built-in library for interacting with Cisco iOS XE software? The language is, of course, Python, and this library name is CLI. Pretty simple library. Which CentOS Linux command is used to install packages? CentOS uses yum, Ubuntu, or I think any Debian derivatives, they are using apt. Yeah, but for CentOS it's yum. Which entity in Cisco iOS XE defines an event and the actions to be taken when that event occurs? That's CEM policy, right? So it's configured on the iOS level. Event is configured and the set of actions is configured as well. And of course, one of these, or maybe more than one of these actions, can trigger some scripts from within the guest shell. All right, which of the following is Cisco developed application framework that provides hosting capabilities for different application types on Cisco network platforms? That must be IOX. IOX is Cisco developed. LXC and KVM are types of virtualization technology, I guess. So LXC virtualizes controllers, KVM virtualizes kind of lightweight but full virtual machines, and PXE, I'm not sure what this is about. In which Linux distribution is guest shell included? In which Linux distribution guest shell is included? Well, it's CentOS, right? Guest shell itself runs CentOS inside it. All right, so that should be the correct answer, I guess. And question 7, what are two use cases for the guest shell? On-box Python, yes, you can launch guest shell, you can create your scripts there, or even use Python in interactive mode within the guest shell. Faster Ansible playbooks, probably not. Zero-touch provisioning, maybe. It's a good option, actually. Let's check others. Slower automation. No, it's actually faster automation. If we compare on-box programmability or on-box automation, it just sits there on the box and it will perform some operations on the box, right? If it's compared to an external tool which needs to connect to the box over the network, definitely this second approach would be slower. So guest shell is faster. Competently strategize emerging functionalities. I don't even know what it means. And the correct answer here is obviously zero-touch provisioning, because you can put some scripts that would initialize new devices in a specific to the use case and business case way. Right, so scripts may be triggered. They can pull some configurations and do whatever you want to do with the devices. All right, that's it.